Today, we're going to learn how to make and stain a wet mount. If we come over to my slide area, I'm going to take a slide and I'm going to feel which side has the frosted side. So that side's going to go up. This is my yeast, ready to go. We're going to be making a slide of yeast, and I have a loop. Remember, whenever you use a loop, you always have to flame it. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. We will insert the loop until it is red hot. Retract it and let it cool. Now that my loop is cool, I'm going to use it to take a drop of my yeast suspension. So I'm going to dip it in and place a drop on my slide. Place it into the back of the incinerator until it gets red hot. Retract it and allow it to cool. Now that I have the drop on my slide, I'm going to take a cover slip and I'm going to gently line it up with my finger on the edge. I'm going to slowly lower it onto the drop, trying to reduce any air bubbles. So I have my cover slip on there with the yeast suspension underneath. To stain it, I'm going to take a drop of methylene blue stain I'm going to put it beside the cover slip. We don't put it on the yeast directly because that would create too much liquid. Instead, what we're going to do is use a Chem wipe to draw the liquids through, and that looks like this. I have my Chem wipe, and I'm going to touch it to the edge of the slide opposite where I put the stain. And what that's going to do is, by capillary action, it's going to draw the stain into my slide. And as you proceed to do that, you can see that the stain is moving further and further in. Eventually, your entire slide will be stained, and you can view it under the microscope. And that's how you stain and make a wet mount. Thank you. See you soon.